Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another TEMU Christmas Haul a Day video. That's right, are you getting ready for Christmas? I got my t-shirt on, and this is a Merry Christmas t-shirt from TEMU, and I will have the price of this shirt down in my description, but today we're going to be talking about stocking stuffers and things you could get for Christmas. Are you ready for a jolly haul, iday, TEMU haul? That's right, that's what we have today, and I want to welcome you all to my channel. This is a TEMU haul that's in this package that would be great for stocking stuffers and maybe some gift ideas. These have all been purchased by me, and I am a TEMU affiliate and influencer, and I will have my discount code of 50% off for anyone that's new out there to TEMU. You can download that app and receive $100 in coupons to boot to help your little Christmas shopping spree. And at TEMU, if you're not familiar, it's an online market store where you can find all kinds of things, and that is what I'm going to show you. And the price ranges from 8 cents I've seen all the way up to who knows, in the hundreds, because they do have a lot of nice items. So they have low-end items and high-end items, but today we are going to look at some of their around $1 items, maybe under $5, that you can look at and see if it's something that you would be interested in for Christmas gifts and or for stocking stuffers. And TEMU has a lot to offer. They also have free shipping, free 90-day return, and they also have 30-day price match. So keep that in mind, because you can order here and it may take you a week to get it, but the prices will be well worth it with the free shipping. And if the price goes down, then you get credit in your account to go toward your next purchase. And the 50% off discount usually lasts about an hour in your cart. So I would advise you to go shopping on your computer, pick out everything, see what you want, and then download your app if you want to use the 50% off in a timely fashion without feeling like you've got to hurry up. So be sure and keep that in mind. I've heard that from several of my friends. I want to pass that on to you all. Also want to let you know that you can be a TEMU affiliate, and I will have the links to that down in my description as well, and pricing of everything that I show you today. I'm going to tell you what I paid for it, and then down in my description will be the link to go over to it and the current price. So if you're interested, head on over there and get some of your Christmas shopping done. But in this bag we've got several things. And the first thing I'm pulling out is Brazilian bun. And this is their brand of Brazilian bun is what they called it. It is a large jar of coconut milk vitamin E moisture body cream. And I'm very interested in finding out what this feels like, what it looks like, what it smells like. My cost was $3.88. It was on a lightning sale. And in their description, they did call it Brazilian bum cream. And as you can see on top there, it does have like the coconuts on there and the coconut milk with the vitamin E, and we're going to find out how it is. And it is sealed, so that is very good to know. It's like a lift top here. Ooh, and look how rich and creamy that is. I'm getting a reflection. I don't know if you can really see. There, look at that. Very milky looking. Oh wow, I'm going to have to try some of that right now. Oh, it smells good. Nice and rich bum cream. Oh, that smells good. If you like the coconut scent, you're really going to like this. And I think this could be nice body butter. Is that what it's supposed to be? It's moisture body cream, yes. So this can be used all over. And guys, pretty good sized jar. And I like that, so that's a win. And that would be a nice Christmas gift too. So my suggestion, maybe if you're looking for that, of course I'll have the link down in my description. And I know they have lots of other scents. This was coconut. I like coconut. The next item I'm pulling out of here is something that I have gotten before, and I just thought it was so cute, I had to get it again. And this makes a nice little stocking stuffer or a nice little gift for someone. And this was $1.58, and it's called the Artificial Lovely Owl. Isn't it so cute? It's got its little feet down there, and it's just very, very cute. And it's kind of like, I don't know, feels like faux fur, I guess is what it's feels like on the outside. It's very soft, very cute, $1.58. The next item I'm pulling out of here is another little keychain, and I had a keychain like this, but I lost it, and I seen that TEMU had it, so I ordered it from TEMU. And this here from TEMU was $3.47. And it's just a cute little poodle, and it's got little pink decor, and I just thought it was real cute. I'm going to put it on my purse. I've got a little cat that's in pink, and now I'll have my little poodle dog on the other side. But isn't that just so cute? And again, $3.47. You can clip it on your purse just like this, or you can use it for both. You can also put keys on there, so it can be a key ring and or a purse decoration or a bag decoration, however you want to use it. But I just thought that was precious, and it's kind of got a bobbly head. I don't know if I showed you that, but it's called the Rhinestone Puppy Car Keychain. The next item I'm pulling out of here is another keychain. And some of these are Christmas gifts for my family, but I want to go ahead and show it to you all. And it's called the Rhinestone Dog. And again, it can be clipped on and use it for your keys. Isn't that so cute? This is like a little weenie Dotson. So I have a little granddaughter that has a weenie Dotson. She has Snuggles, and I thought she would just love this. So see, we got Christmas presents, but this is the perfect size for a little stocking stuffer too. And if you know anybody that likes the little Dotsons, this is very cute. And it was $1.78. And I think it came in 2 or 3 different colors. The same way with the little poodle puppy, it came in blue, pink, fuchsia pink, green, gold, different colors. So, you just have to go in there and decide which color that you want. And then the next item I'm pulling out of here, is a little handy tool, and this is a mini knife sharpener, and I'm very interested in this for my kitchen. Now this would also make a nice little Christmas gift if you're putting something together that would be like kitchen related or something like that. But this here is a knife sharpener, and it's just nice and portable, easy to use, and you can see down in there that it has the little sharpener down in there. And it showed it that you would just sharpen your knife like this. You hear that? It's sharpening it up. I'm not going to cut myself, but that's what it's for. And it's a nice little size to be able to do that with. So I really like that. And that was 88 cents. I thought that was an excellent buy. The next item I'm pulling out of here is another little keychain that I got. And they have these in all the alphabet. I picked A for Allie, or Azalea. They both have the A letter. And this looks like this. It's got the little butterfly on it. And I did get this for Allie because she likes butterflies. And it's got the A on there. She likes pink, I think. They change their minds so often, you just never know. But I just thought that was lovely. And again, another great gift idea or stocking stuffer idea. And this was $1.77, and they call it the one-piece initial letter keychain. Very, very pretty. I love pink anyways, and I just think that's cute, nice and glittery. I got me another keychain. I guess I was on the keychain expedition this time around. This here is a little stylish one and kind of sets the tone. And this is a keychain. So this is not going to clip on my purse. It's just going to hold my keys. And it is a modern lady lipstick keychain. And you've got the lipsticks on there. And you've got the modern lady dress, and I just thought that was really cute. And this was 99 cents. So, and some of these I bought on a lightning sale, so the price could change. But that is what it looks like, and it does have a little lipstick on there too. So a cute little purse decor, but you would need to get a clip for it because it didn't come with it. Very nice. The next item that I'm going to show you is some earrings and necklace that I got. And they have all kinds, and this was on sale for $3.59. And this is kind of like a shell. It just calls it a 3-piece earrings plus necklace set in the shell. And these are the earrings. And it does give you your little backer, and they're just real pretty. They're not very heavy, so they're light, and they would kind of go with what I have on today with those round circles there. So let's try it out. Oh yeah, that'll go good with this. So that's what it looks like. And it is kind of like, I call it a puka shell, but it's not a puka shell, but it's the white shell. And then of course it has the necklace to go with it. It's got the gold hardware, and it's just very cute. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it'll kind of overpower this a little bit, but just to give you an idea, I'll take this off. And then we have our shell, and we might as well do the other side so I'm all matched up. But I like this. This will especially be good going to, the beach, going somewhere with, on a nice summer's day. And I know we're out of summer, but for vacation and what have you, this would be very nice. And I like that. Very, very nice. So, and it's a little long maybe for this t-shirt, but it does give you an idea how it would look. It would lay so like this. And you can probably adjust this if you want it to be up higher. So it's just a nice little necklace and earring set for $3.59. Another great gift idea. Now the next couple of items I'm going to show you. This is another cozy and cute pet blanket. This was $1.78, and it is the small size. They call this in beige, and it's a good size. And I know y'all have seen some that look like a pot holder. You do have to watch your measurements when you're ordering from them. If it says it's 78 cents, be sure and look at the size and make sure it's not a 7-inch by 7-inch. This here was a 23 by 12. So it is a small, and it's a good size. And I probably should have got several of them, but I only got one. But I have some others. And then the next thing I got was these little cases here. And I've shown this before, but they had them on sale again, and I got me 2 more. And these are cases that you could use for crafting and or your jewelry. It's a snap closure. You open up and you have all your earrings or your necklace. I brought one in that I already have things in. As you can see, I've got necklaces and earrings in here. So you can separate it however you want to, but it makes a great organizer, especially for like necklaces that are small like this, and you don't want to get them tangled up with other necklaces. You can just put it in its own little compartment. If you're traveling, it fits right in there. I have my little turtle that I got from TEMU that I just really like, so I just keep him in here. And then of course I have earrings that are small, and they have their own compartment. And then some of the bigger earrings will fit one each. So it's a nice little, storage gadget, and I just have really found that I like it. Now I also know you could use this for beads and things like that, but that's what I got it for, because as you can see, I've been putting it to good use. I have 2 of these that are full, and I have room for more. So I got me 2 more of these, and these were $1.78, and these are the 1-piece 24 compartment, and they're stackable, so you can just stack them on top of each other, and it's great organization. I did get one other duplicate that I've already gotten before, and this duck toy was $1.48. So this one cost me a little bit more. I did get one for like 68 cents on a lightning sale. But this is great for Christmas and for stocking stuffers, and this does have a little squeaker in it, and it's a little duck, and they have it in a duck and an elephant, and there's one other one that you can choose from. So just a cute little toy for your dog to play with. But as you can see, I got a nice variety of things and Christmas ideas. This here is just great for your own storage, and if you're a crafter, it'd be perfect. And of course, this would make a nice little gift idea for someone that you know that might have a lot of jewelry that needs to have it a little bit organized and safe. This is my TEMU haul for this stocking stuffer jolly haul a day TEMU. We have the little ducky for the doggies. We have all kinds of colorful keychains and useful keychains and decorative keychains. You let me know which one's your favorite. Do you have a favorite? I got a little bit of jewelry. I got a little owl. I got me some bum cream and coconut, which I love. I got me something practical and a nice little gift idea too for someone in the kitchen, along with other few things if you want to put a little package together. And then I got my nice little small soft little blanket that my puppies love. So usually when I see these for $1 or so, I'll pick up one and add to our collection because we can always use them. And then I love this little owl. But anyways, guys, that is my TEMU haul. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure and check my descriptions for any current giveaways that may be going on. You may want to enter to win. I do have a collaboration that is out. It's called the TEMU Advent Calendar, and if it hasn't come out, it will be coming out soon. But it is the TEMU DIY Advent Calendar collaboration, and it has 7 giveaways, 7 great channels, and be sure and go check that out. Oh, and I forgot to say, I got my necklace and earrings. So do you have a favorite? Let me know. What's your favorite? Would you love to have you some nice coconut bum cream? I can tell you it's really creamy and nice. So if that's something that you'd like, I would say, hey, go on over there and check it out. If you're looking for some nice fun fashion jewelry and you want to get some gifts ideas for Christmas, just head on over there and check out TEMU. But as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.